Ganito yan eh, usapang lalaki ang away. Sabihin ko sa kanya, putang ina mo, umalis ka dyan, akin yan. Eh sabihin niya, usapang lalaki, putang ina mo, bakit ako alis dito, amin to. Sabi, umalis ka. Sabi, ayoko. O anong gusto mo? Ganun yan eh. Ang sabi, dialogue, peaceful resolution, when will it end? Hanggang kailan ako may kipag-usap? Hanggang yung saman, lulubog na. I was not joking when I was lecturing to. I am a man of sarcasm. Have you not noticed that? Na nagsabi rape. Sinabi ko ba rape kayo, ang sundalo? Ako ang magsagot sa inyo. Because as Commander-in-Chief, I hold responsible for everything and anything that is done as a consequence of martial law. I and I alone will be criminally responsible. Kaya yung salita ko, ikonekta ninyo. Pag itong mga puta, pag marinig ng rape, kagaya ni Chelsea, she slapped me for the rape joke. I was not joking. I was being sarcastic. You listen to the speech. I do not laugh at my own jokes. Then sabihin ko sa kanya, when your father, the President of the United States, was screwing Levinsky and the girls there in the White House, how did you feel? Did you slam your father? O kayong mga Amerikano, kayong mga press, sinong kalaban ng mga Amerikano? Wala pa namang gera dito, matagal na. Not even Korea, nagpuputok araw-araw na. Ang kalaban ng mga Amerikano, pag nagpunta dito sa Pilipinas, yung mga putang inang yan, anong ginagawa? Nang-rape. O, kayong mga putang inang Pilipino dyan, anong pinagsa? What are you doing? Pinag-rape, tapos bayaran, bigyan ng visa sa buong pamilya. Wala na. It is a crime actually committed by soldiers, mostly Americans, in Okinawa, in Japan. But we never heard of a Filipino. I'm just warning them that anything they do, I have to answer for it. But I take full responsibility for your kagaguhan. Sarcastic ako magsalita. Binabaliktad ko yung, sabi nga ni Lacson rhetoric. Laking bugoy ako eh. Putang ina mo, Adre, pag nag-rape ka ng rape dyan, puta ako ang masasabit. Ganon ako magsalita. I was not joking. I was being sarcastic. Kaya, kayong mga Amerikano, si Chelsea, be careful because you live in a glass house. Ulitin ko nga, I repeat, when President Clinton was fucking Levinsky, what was your statement or your reaction? Mahirap yung tao na tao. Para bang binubugbog dito ako sa kritisi, ay putang ina, i-insultuhin ko rin kayo. Amerikano, ganon. Ilang Pilipina. Yung bakla, pinatay nila. Kung pwede mo naman sana isipain lang, tulak mo sa labas ng kwarto. You did have to kill the transgender. Kaya dandahan kayo kasi and I have a story to tell you guys when we have the command conference. Hindi ako atat na atat dito pagka-president. If you feel that I cannot be of service to the Filipinos and you want another one better, you can find one. Feel free to tell me. Maraming salamat po and congratulations to your anniversary. I know that we continue to lose men. We will just have to bite the bullet and fight for our country because this is the only country that we have. Mabuhay ang Marines at mabuhay ang mga sailors ng Philippine Navy. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Salamat po.